Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is Ray, and we want to show you why we love this pet sofa from BingoPaw.
I am completely in love with the fact that this is a pet bed sofa. So it was so easy to put together. It went together in just a few minutes. If you follow the instructions, you will have the easiest time. It is super quick and easy to do. And I love everything about it. It is this really great high density foam, so it's nice and orthopedic for your pets. And it looks just like a sofa. Honestly, it's nicer than mine. And it has the perfect detailing from the stitching to the rivets to the feet. It all looks like a luxury sofa. My dogs are completely in love with it. They find it so comfy, and my cats love it too. So it is really just a great addition to the house. And it is just so classy looking. And it is nice and easy to clean. It doesn't carry a ton of fur on it because it is this leather like material. So it is really great if you want to have a little bit more of a clean look than a furry pet bed. It's such a good option.
If you're looking for an alternative pet bed, this sofa from BingoPaw is so perfect. I love how classy it looks, and my pets absolutely love it, and I think yours will too. And that's our point of view.